Okay. Welcome back to golf course maintenance here at Fiddlesticks. We just went through the first round of cultural practices on the Loch Ness golf course. All in all, went pretty well. We got all the aerification done that we need to do. We got all the verticutting completed. Chipco application went down fairly well. Everything's good. Now, according to Wink News, it's been the driest May in history down here in Fort Myers. And it definitely shows. The lake levels are extremely low. In fact, the lakes are so low, you will notice the creek on number 9 has absolutely no water in it. That's because the lake level is so low that we're unable to pump from the lake to the creek and recycle itself. Now, once the lake on number 9 fills up on the Loch Ness, we'll turn the pumps back on and circulate that water once again. But for right now, it's gonna be pretty dry. Now, previous summer videos, we've discussed about the rock on the fairways of the Loch Ness. 2019 was the first summer that we could actually aerify the fairways post-construction. Now, once again, this is typical after a construction project that you have some rocks and boulders. We definitely broke a lot of tines that summer, but what we've seen is it's gotten better. So if 2019, we'll call it the Rock-Ness or summer of the Rock-Ness, 2020, more of the Shawshank, and 2021, we pretty much got fruity pebbles. So there are still some rocks out there, but we are not seeing nearly the large amount of rocks that we had in 2019 punching these fairways. That basically shows we're making progress, we're breaking this rock up, and we're doing a good job of trying to decompact this. Now again, the more we can break this up, the better the grass is going to respond to nutrients and water. Now, when the Loch Ness opens up, you're gonna find little brown areas such as this here on 18 fairway. These are areas that we have chemically treated to get rid of paspalum that has started growing on the golf course. Now, we've already gone through 2 rounds of applications. We got 1 more to go, and then we'll come back later, sod cut it, dig out some material, and add Celebration Bermuda to this area. Now, we don't know exactly how this paspalum got here. Many a ways, maybe a bird took a little tiny piece of it from another course and dropped it off. Maybe it came from the sod farm during the construction. But more than likely, this area here was probably a little bit established before construction and finally just started showing its signs. So we need to eradicate these areas before paspalum spreads even worse. So that's why you're gonna see these little squared out areas in random places of the Loch Ness, and there's a few spots in the Long Mean as well, that we will take care of, sod cut out, replace. You'll never know it was there in the next few weeks. We did get very aggressive on this closure, so there still needs a little bit of time of healing, particularly the greens. I know a lot of you have been loving the speeds of the Long Mean greens. Unfortunately, we're not going to have as fast of speeds as the Long Mean here on the Loch Ness come opening day. But the speeds will improve and you will notice a smoother putting surface as the days and weeks come. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. As always, don't forget to subscribe here to see future videos at Fiddlesticks Country Club. Y'all take care now. Bye.